Okay, so Casey?
Yes.
Yes. You know what we are going to do today? Do you know what we are going to do? Wash. Yes, wash. Wash. So we're going to wash this together. Okay, we're going to load this to the washing machine. Okay.
Yeah.
And yes. Oh, you're so happy. Okay, so all right. So let's do that together. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Pull this out. Okay. See. So fun. Let's see. What's that? Smelly. Smelly. Ah, yes. I can see it's empty. Yes, that's good. Oh, what's next? I wonder what's next.
Ready.
Yuck. What's next?
Yuck.
And okay, you're going to put it, load it in the washing machine, right? Okay. All right. So what's next?
Yucky.
What's that? Is that a gel? Is a shower gel?
No.
Okay. So what are we gonna do with this? All right. We're not gonna put it in the washing machine. And
That's
yes.
it.
Okay. Can you check?
Nothing.
Nothing else?
Yes.
Nothing else? Okay, I think we've got an empty bag here. Okay. All right. No, we're not doing that. Laundry. I think that's it. Ah, yes, we've got the washing powder here. Yes. We just need a little bit. Maybe a bit more. Just a bit more. I think it's not enough for us. I think it's not enough for all the clothes. I think yes.
Here.
Okay, so here. That's right. Well done. Yeah. All right. Okay, I think we're set now.
Yes.
The clothes are gonna spill out if we're not doing the right thing. So, yes, close the door. That's it. That's it. Okay, let's turn on the function. Oh, you know how to do it. That's good. All right. So, let's close this lock. Okay. All right. And then we're going to start. So I wonder which one is start. Here. This one? You sure? Okay. Let's press this one. Yay! Yeah, you got a good job. Good job. Well done. Yes.